Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Back up your important files and create a system restore point before proceeding. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong during removal. Note your ESET activation key and write it down on paper or save it in a secure file. Download the official ESET uninstaller utility from ESET support on another device and transfer it to the target PC. Disable any other antivirus programs temporarily to avoid conflicts with the uninstaller program. Boot Windows 10 into safe mode by holding Shift and choosing Restart from Start. After Restart, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, then enable Safe Mode. Log in as the same user who installed ESET or as an administrator user. Run the ESET uninstaller as administrator and follow prompts to remove all components and drivers. Wait until the tool reports successful removal and any temporary files are cleaned up. Reboot into normal Windows and confirm no ESET services or icons remain in the system tray. Open Programs and Features to ensure ESET is not listed among installed programs. Run a full system scan with Windows Defender or another trusted scanner to verify no remnants remain. Restore any disabled antivirus settings and reinstall drivers if you temporarily removed them. If you need ESET again later, reinstall using your activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.